In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link text boxes in Adobe Illustrator so your text flows perfectly from one box to another. This is an essential skill if you're working on brochures, magazines, posters, multi-column layouts, or any design where your text needs to continue across multiple areas. Once you understand this feature, you'll be able to control long blocks of text much more efficiently and create cleaner, more professional layouts. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail that can save you time. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator document. To begin linking text boxes, you need to create area-type text boxes, not just point text. Go over to the toolbar and select the Type tool, or simply press the letter T on your keyboard as a shortcut. Now click and drag on your artboard to create your first area-type text box. Make sure you click and drag instead of just clicking once, because clicking once creates point text, and that won't allow proper text linking. Once you've created your first text box, go ahead and type your text inside it, or paste in a larger body of text if you're working with something longer like an article. If your text is longer than the box, you'll notice a small red plus sign appearing in a little square at the bottom right corner of the text box. This indicates that there is overset text, meaning there's more text that can fit inside the current box. Next, create the second area-type text box where you want the remaining text to continue. Again, select the Type tool, click and drag on another part of your artboard to draw the second text box. You can position it anywhere you like, below the first box, in another column, or even on a different artboard. Now we're going to link them together. Switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard or selecting the black arrow from the toolbar. Click once on your first text box to select it. Look at the bottom right corner of the selected box, and you'll see that small square, known as the outport. If there's overset text, it will show a red plus sign. Click directly on that small outport. Your cursor will change to indicate that you're about to load the hidden text. Now move your cursor over to the second text box and click inside it. As soon as you click, Illustrator will automatically flow the remaining text from the first box into the second box. And just like that, your text boxes are now linked. If you resize the first box to make it smaller, more text will automatically flow into the second box. If you make the first box larger, text may flow back into it from the second box. This dynamic linking makes it incredibly easy to adjust layouts without manually cutting and pasting text. You can repeat this same process to link multiple text boxes together. Simply click the outport of the second box if it has overset text, then click into a third box. This creates a continuous threaded text flow across as many boxes as you need. If you ever need to break the link between text boxes, select the box with the Selection tool, click the outport again, then click anywhere on the artboard. That will detach the flow and give you control over the text separately. Linking text boxes in Adobe Illustrator is a powerful feature that's especially useful for editorial design, multi-column layouts, and structured typography projects. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you managed long text without it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Adobe Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.